y'all, it's day 4 of Vlogmas. I missed day 1, 2, and 3, but I was sick as. This is my channel.
Oh, hello.
But ask Gasman E, am I lying? Wasn't I sick? I was down bad. Okay, now he don't want to say shit. Y'all look at my class of 2022. Graduate. I graduated 3 weeks. Get into it. You know, also let's get into keychain. The 2022 keychain. Yeah. Okay, anyways, Elias has to meet up with one of his buddies. And yeah. And then I'm gonna take my car for a wash today because I don't know the last time I washed my baby. Probably since May. It's about to be January. Anyways, y'all, we also gotta run to the plug. So, oh, I'm not doing it. Y'all know I'm pregnant. I am 32 weeks. 7 more weeks. And I'm done. Anyways. Tell him stop being a little hoe. How you gonna be in Vlogmas and you not even participating?
Oh, my fault, cuz. Just got off of Gov. We said Gov around here.
Cuz he could have said Toddy at the most. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back later. Hell no. Hey y'all, so back at it. Sorry, I didn't want to get Raven in the cut, but I did. So, but because I don't know if she want to be. You know, some people don't like to be on video. Anyways, I'm in the freaking car wash drive-thru.
Oh, Ivan, did you see my rap?
Say hello, Ivan.
My Spotify.
Finally getting my baby washed because it's been since May. I'm not lying when I say that shit. And Liza was like, no, you had it washed before. I'm like, no, I didn't. She just been going through it. And she's white. Y'all, I'm just excited. My car is not dirty no more. Anyways, I really like my tires. Sorry, y'all. I don't know if I told y'all I was going to the mall, but that's where I'm at. And Ivan and Liz kind of abandoned me, so I'm with Raven. Yeah. Where are we even? What store are we in? Express. They're telling me to come back. Express. Oops, sorry. They told me to come back, and I just told them I didn't want to walk. Don't you literally have something like that? Yes, you do.
10 people told you do.
This motherfucker. No. You know who he reminds me of? He reminds me of the dude from Blue's Clues.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really cute.
I started this trend. The hoodie blazer. I started this.
Oh, I didn't even see the hoodie on the inside.
You don't mess with the hoodie blazer?
I didn't even see the hoodie on the inside.
Say hey.
You don't mess with the hoodie blazer now.
This is what he wants.
The hoodie blazer.
At the mall.
I'm coming back.
Now we're getting something to eat, then I'm gonna go because I literally cannot walk around no more. My feet hurt like so bad. And I don't really like walking in public, especially here because there's so many people and I feel like everyone's looking at me. Y'all probably can't even hear me. Yeah. See y'all when I get back in the car. Elias got me hibachi. He got hibachi. I think orange chicken and something else. I got vegetable hibachi.
Sesame chicken.
What chicken?
Mandarin chicken and sesame chicken.
Word. Oops, I was not trying to give y'all the middle finger. Anyways, but anyhow, y'all see me when I get back in the car for real. I'm not playing this time. Yeah. Hey y'all, I never closed out this video, and in a lot of my videos that are about to be uploaded, I probably don't have an outro for them, so I'm just gonna record Yeah, I'm sorry. After that, I basically drove on home, dropped everyone off, and then chilled with Gasme. We talked for a minute, and then I went home, and that was about it. Yeah. Happy Vlogmas.